Rahim, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine, safe, and healthy. Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. I'm your playgroup teacher. My name is Mamasia. This is your English book. The name of book is My Activity Book of Letters and Sound Level 1. So please take out this one book. Okay, My Activity Book of Letters and Sound Level 1. This is your English book. So please, dear students, open your book. Okay, in previous lecture we have read the letter B, B. The sound of B is B. B, B, ball, B, B, bird, B, B, balloon, B, B, bell. And after this page we have done, let's complete the butterflies by tracing the pattern. So these are the tracing, okay. Now today we will start from this page. This is page number 7. Open this page please. Page number 7 I have done for you. So please read here. Identify and color the picture starting with letter B. As you can see the picture on this book page, here is a bird, this is a cat, and this is a bell. So which picture start from letter B? Who's tell me? Which picture start from letter B? B. Yes. Okay students, so you will find the picture that start from letter B, B, okay. The first picture is bird. You have read the previous lecture, the previous page on page 5, B, B, bird, okay, as you can see on page number 5, okay. So now you will start to color in the bird, okay, bird. The next picture is cat. Cat is not related the alphabet B, B, cat, because cat start from K, C, K, okay. This is not related about this alphabet, so please don't touch it, okay. The next picture is bell, B, bell, okay. So the color in the bell, B, B, bell, because it starts from B, B, bell, as you can see on this page, B, B, bell, okay. So now you will color on this picture, okay. The identify and circle the letter B, B, okay. Here we have a different alphabets B, B, A, C, K, B, 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 D, D. So what we will do? We will circle the letter B. Only circle the letter B. So now circle the letter B. Very good. This is the letter B, small b, Nelson B, okay. Okay, the next page, turn next page, page number 8. This is page number 8. Playgroup students, please open this page. Very good. Okay, identify and circle the pictures starting with letter B. There are many pictures as you can see on this page. This is a ball, this is a car, this is a balloon. So what we will do? We will circle the picture that start from letter B. So hold a pencil and circle with me. B, B, ball. I will circle the picture of ball because it starts from letter B, B. The initial letter of ball is B, B, okay. Car is not start from B, B. Car start from C, K, K. Sound, C, K. The sound of balloon, B, B. So you will circle the balloon because it start from letter B and its sound of B is B, B. Okay. The next is trace and write the letter B. So hold a pencil and start a tracing from this arrow. Arrow show the direction from top to bottom, okay. Do like me. This is small b, B. Do neat and proper tracing. Playgroup students. Very good. This is the small b, B. This is not a capital B, B. This is a small b, B. Okay. I'm doing for you. This is small b, B. Very good. I'm doing my work very well. This is B, B. Read and write. Read and write. Again and again. Okay. Okay, start from this dot, touch the line, this is small b bar. Okay, very good. B bar ball, B bar, yes, bell, B bar balloon, B bar bag, B bar bat, B bar ball, B bar bird. Okay, understand? Hope you will be okay, students. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.